Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. Today I was thinking to change things up a bit and talk about some easy at-home hairstyles you can rock. I don't know about you, haven't had a haircut in a while and my hair is kind of long and unwieldy and I'm not really sure what to do with it. So today I wanted to share some easy hairstyles that I have come up with that I think you can rock at home and at the same time look somewhat put together, especially if you have a lot of video conferences. I know I do. So yeah, I want to share that with you. And before we get into things, I just want to share my earrings today. I think they are so cute. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to gravitate towards certain types of items, like in terms of fashion. For example, like I like a lot of flutter sleeve tops. I think they look so like cute and feminine, and also I really like ear crawlers. I just think they look at the same time minimalistic, but they look very intricate and intriguing because it's kind of like creating this faux look that you have a lot of earrings along your ears. I don't know, but anyways, so when I look through my wardrobe pieces, I can definitely see patterns of things that I tend to gravitate towards, and I just buy different variations. So yeah, and if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm continuously trying to build up my channel with fresh and exciting new content, so I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. So disclaimer, I am in no way a braiding expert or hair expert. I have seen a lot of what people have done on YouTube and Instagram or whatever, and some of that stuff is crazy. Like, I don't even know how they were able to create those intricate braids. So I am in no way an expert, and I think that kind of works in your favor as well, because if you're not an expert at these and I can do it, you can definitely do it. So what you're going to need is you're going to need obviously a hairbrush. You're going to need some bobby pins and some clear elastics as well, or any type of elastic, but I find that the clear ones work best because you can hide things and they look more sophisticated at the end. That's just my take. First look I'm going to be doing is actually a faux hawk braid ponytail. And what a lot of people have mentioned, especially with braids, is that it works better when your hair is kind of dirty and hasn't been washed, so there's a lot of grip and texture. But personally, I like to wash my hair every day. I just can't fall asleep at night if my hair isn't washed. I don't know, it just bothers me. So what I'm going to do as a makeshift solution to create that grip is I'm just going to go ahead and wet my hair a bit, just to kind of create some sort of texture and make it easier to grip. So I've actually categorized these looks into different themes. So I feel like this first look is kind of like an edgy rock theme. So for the faux hawk braid, you're going to first start off with just brushing through your hair and making sure that it's not tangled. So that'll be easy to braid. So after you have done that, you're going to take a section of your hair. So you're going to go to where your eyebrows are and just kind of section off this part, this like top part, and this is actually going to be the faux hawk part. So that looks about good. And then what I like to do is just tie off the rest so that it doesn't get in the way. Okay, so now you're going to take a section at the top, split it into 3, and then you're going to do an inverted braid. So what you're going to do is you're going to go under and also make it really tight. If you want to create some sort of like fluffed up look later, you can always, they call it pancake it. Okay, and then you just grab hair. I like to use my thumb, but just grab hair and add it to the sides. and you're just going to go under. So basically the motion that you're going to be doing is adding hair and going under. Just make sure you grab all the hair that you have sectioned off. You have finished grabbing all the hair. Just continue this inverted braid normally without adding any more hair. And I like to just continue braiding for a while. And once you are at a good point, you go ahead and take one of your clear elastics and you tie it off. But as you can see, it creates this like textured faux hawk area. And then the rest, the next step is pretty optional. I've seen a lot of people do different things, like you could definitely leave it like this, or some people create like a little bun at the top. But what I like to do is I just like to grab the rest of my hair and create a high ponytail. I think it really adds to the whole kind of rocker chic look. Take another clear elastic. You can also just go ahead and free the other elastic off, because now your hair is incorporated into this braid. So yeah, this is the finished look for number 1. So for look number 2 and 3, I kind of categorize them as warrior princess looks. I just think they look very regal and at the same time edgy, and yeah, so they're pretty simple as well. So for look number 2 is actually just going to be a inverted French braid down the back of your head. So what you're going to do is, of course, after you finish brushing out the tangles from your hair, you're going to kind of complete the same step where you start off with a section at the top and you divide it into 3 equal sections. And then you perform the same action as last time, which is going under and under. And I like to personally make it pretty tight. You can always adjust it later. And then just adding sections to each side and repeating that action of under and then under. So this one gets a little bit tricky because you kind of have to start, because you're going down the back of your head, but you have to pretty much do it without looking in a mirror, if that makes sense, as you go to the back of your head. So it takes a little bit of practice, but I find that as you get used to like the motion of your hands and this rhythm, it kind of gets pretty like easy. Just have to remember like which hand is holding which strand and which motion you're on, but you kind of get into a rhythm. And I find this one's a little bit easier than, for example, the faux hawk one, because you're trying to incorporate all of your hair, so you can be more like generous with the amount that you're adding in. You don't have to be so focused which you usually have to do when you're working with smaller strands of hair, but that's just my take. And you're going to go ahead, take one of your clear elastics and tie off the end. So this is a problem I sometimes face because I have layered hair, but I'll have like little hairs or like flyaways sticking up, and it's a super easy fix. You can just go ahead and take some of your bobby pins and just like pin it down, and that's not noticeable. But yeah, so this is the finished look. It does take some practice, so because you're braiding without like looking. So yeah, look number 2. So now for look number 3. I think look number 3 is again along the lines of this whole warrior princess type look. It's actually super easy, and I feel like it's the easiest one out of these 3. So this one should be a total breeze. So what you're going to do for this look is, after obviously you brush your hair and make sure there are no tangles, you're actually going to section off a top part. And you're going to go ahead and take a clear elastic and tie this off. And then after that, you're going to take another section of hair and you're going to incorporate the top section that you just sectioned off as well into it, and you're going to tie off the second part with another clear elastic. And then for the remaining of the hair, you're going to again incorporate all of the sections plus the remaining part, and you're going to take another clear elastic and go ahead and tie it off. So it kind of has this whole like 3-section look. And that's it. So that one I think is super easy. There's no braiding whatsoever involved, and at the same time it looks like you put in time and effort into getting your hair out of your face. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are able to take away some easy hairstyles that you can rock while at home. And stay tuned for more entertaining content from me. Thanks for watching, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.